Hello, my name is Sarah, and I will be getting a degree in zoology. I am very passionate about animals, and something that has always captured my attention was the work of Dr. Irene Pepperberg with a particular parrot named Alex. Alex was such an intelligent bird that despite having a brain the size of a shelled walnut, he ended up having the intelligence of about a 4 or 5-year-old child. He was able to do simple math as well as identify if objects were the same or different based on material, color, or amount. He could look at an entire plate of red blocks, green blocks, and blue blocks and tell you how many of the blue ones there were. He couldn't just count up how many blocks were on the place, and he couldn't count up just how many blue things were on the plate because there were also blue keys, etc. He was an incredible bird. Unfortunately, he passed away a bit too young, and she is now doing research with Griffin, and I try to stay up to date on everything. It first caught my attention when I read the book Alex and Me. In it, she explains her experiments with Alex and the hard work it is to be a researcher in the field. Another interesting thing about Alex was, despite having such great intelligence and capabilities in the lab, he also was a really great bird personality-wise and was sometimes mischievous. He would occasionally sit on people's shoulders as they were walking through the hallway and whistle at people to get their attention, and people would assume it's the caretaker, not the animal. One time he was given a piece of cake for his birthday, and when he ate it, he declared it was yummy bread because he didn't know the word for cake yet, but could still make the connection between yummy and bread, which is something we don't see even in many other animals that we do intelligence studies on. However, there's also studies being done on chimpanzees and gorillas. I recently saw that Coco has been given a bunch of new kittens, and I'm excited to see what she does with that. Coco is a remarkable gorilla simply because she has been taught sign language and communicates with everyone in that way, so we can understand a little bit more about how she processes the world around her. Basically, I'm constantly keeping up to date on a lot of animal research. I read Nature all the time, I watch Nova. I could go on in depth about animal intelligence, as I've written many papers and done many speeches on it already, as I'm just in my second semester of college. I would be honored to get the chance to win the scholarship. Thank you.